What's up guys, Dan Cohen here, and in this video, I'm going to tell you why you don't need a property manager. First off, special thanks to Rent Redi rental management software for partnering with me on this video. If you want an awesome rental management software that's going to help you save a ton of time, effort, and energy in your rental business, go ahead and check out the link in the description below and use my code for 20% off your subscription. Now, why would I say that you don't need a property manager? Well, first off, if you're going to self-manage your property, I personally think that, with a small portfolio, ultimately nobody cares about your money more than you, and they're not going to treat it as well as you. And when I get to a certain point where I expand to a big enough amount of cash flow coming in, I will most likely hire a property manager that works for me and not a property management company. But I definitely would not recommend hiring a property management company, because the problem is they don't care enough. They don't care about your assets because they're not theirs. But with that, if you're choosing to self-manage your properties, your income and your cash flow from properties are going to be a lot higher. Now, a great asset with that is going to be having a rental management software to help you manage your properties. A couple of things that my rental management software has done, which is Rent Redi rental management software, link in description. The biggest things month to month and day to day is going to be automatically collecting the rent for me. They have an awesome rent collection system where your tenant can sign up and they can be auto billed every single month, and actually they can set up auto ACH transfer, and the tenant can pay with cash. They can credit card, ACH, virtually any way possible, so that you never have to go knock on any doors to try to collect rent. And that saves me a lot of time every month, especially if you have quite a few units, because I can see how that can become very cumbersome having to drive around and collect rent every single month. The next biggest thing is actually they have a built-in screening service, and so that helps you. You can send pre-qualifications to quickly pre-qualify your potential tenants, and they also have an application process where you can get a rental application, get documentation, and they actually have the tenant. They have a built-in credit and background check. The tenant just has to pay $35 direct to Rent Redi, and you get those reports immediately sent to you so that you can go through them and make sure your tenants are rock solid. The next biggest thing is going to be just responding to maintenance requests and making sure your properties are kept up, and also inspecting your properties on a regular basis. I personally, and I would recommend, I would not be out there trying to swing a hammer and save a buck and doing your own maintenance, guys. Now you can, it depends on what stage you are, it depends on how actively you want to be involved, but for me, it's just not worth my time to go out and learn how to do those trades. Really, those are the biggest parts of managing your properties, is simply getting good tenants. And if you get good tenants, a lot of your problems are going to go away, but just making sure that your units are staying up and you're taking good care of your properties. Guys, if you had any other suggestions, go ahead and let me know in the comments below. If you want an awesome rental management software that's going to help you a ton, manage your rental properties and save you a lot of time, effort, and energy for just a few dollars a month, go ahead and check out Rent Redi rental management software, link in the description, and use my code for 20% off your subscription. Guys, if you liked the video, go ahead and like it, subscribe, and I will see you in the next chapter.